equation of a circle. A circle is a set of all points which are equally spaced from a fixed point in a plane. The fixed point is called the center of a circle. The distance between the center and any point in the circumference is called the radius of a circle. A circle is produced in the plane and the axis of a cone perpendicular. Here is a plane. Here is a plane. Here is a cone. And the cone and a plane are perpendicular to each other. A circle is produced. You know that a circle is a part of a cone section which is produced by the intersection of a plane and a cone in the a triangle. Question of a circle in the center is at the origin. The equation of a circle in the center is at origin. Here is a center at origin. This is a point on a circle. All points on a circle or on a curve have equal distance from the center. The distance between the point on a circle and the center is called the radius of a circle. This is value of x. The vertical line is y, and the horizontal line is x. It is x and y from 90 degrees. Using Pythagoras theorem, r equals under the radical x squared plus y squared. If you squaring both sides gives r squared equals x squared plus y squared. This is the equation of a circle. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Example, what will be the equation of a circle if center is at the origin? And the center is at origin, which is 0 and 0. So the equation of a circle equals x squared plus y squared, which equals r squared. This is the equation of a circle when the center is at the origin. Equation of a circle when this is the x-axis. Equation of a circle when the center on the x-axis. Consider the case where the center of a circle is on the x-axis at h0. P is the point on a circle and r is the radius of a circle. Here is the center. The center is lays on the x-axis. And this is the point on a circle. The distance between a center and a point on a circle equals the radius. Here is the horizontal. This is the horizontal distance. This is the vertical distance. So using the Pythagoras theorem or the distance formula, r equals under radical x minus h square plus y square. If you square both sides, r square equals x minus h square plus y square. Here is the value of value of y is 0 and the center is on the x-axis. If we squaring both sides, x minus h squared plus y squared equals r squared. This is the equation of a circle and the center is on the x-axis. The equation of a circle and the center is in the y-axis equals the equation of a circle here the center is in the y-axis. When the center is in the y-axis, the value of h is 0. Therefore, the equation of a circle equals a squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. This is the equation of a circle when the center is at origin. This is a circle on the y-axis. The value of h is 0 and the center is in the y-axis. This is a point on the circle. The distance between the center and the point on a circle equals the radius of a circle. Using Pythagoras theorem or distance formula, here is a vertical line, y minus k. Here is a horizontal line, x. Using Pythagoras theorem or the distance formula, x squared plus y squared which equals r squared. Here is x squared plus y minus k squared is equals r squared. This is the equation of a circle. Hence, center is at the y-axis. X-axis is tangent to the circle. The value of k equals the radius of a circle. So the equation of a circle equals the equation of a circle x minus h square plus y minus r square which equals r square. Here is equation of a circle and the x-axis tangent to the a circle. The value of k equals radius of a circle. This is equation of a circle and the x-axis tangent to the a circle. At this point, the value of k equals the radius of a circle. And using the distance formula, here is the vertical line y minus r. Here is a horizontal line x minus h. And using Pythagoras theorem or the distance formula, r equals under radical x minus h square plus y minus r square. If you square both sides, r square equals x minus h square plus y minus r square. This is the equation of a circle, and the x-axis is tangent to a circle. Here is an example. The equation of a circle which teaches x-axis and whose center is 1, 2. I know that when the x-axis is tangent to a circle. The value of k equals radius of a circle. Using a circle equation, x minus h square plus y minus r square, which equals r square. Here is the value of h is there is a value of h, and there is the value of k, which is equals to r. So the equation of a circle, x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square, which equals to 4. Equation of a circle, and the y-axis tangent to a circle. The value of h equals the radius of a circle. So here is x minus r square plus y minus k square, which equals r square, and the value of h equals to the radius of a circle, and the y-axis tangent to a circle. The y-axis tangent to this circle, the vertical line is y minus k, and the horizontal line is x minus k. There is a horizontal line, there is a vertical line. Using the Pythagoras theorem, r equals under radical x minus r square plus y minus k square. If you squaring both sides, r square equals x minus r square plus y minus k square. This is the equation of a circle when the y-axis tangent to a circle. Example, if a circle is passing through the point -1, 0, touches the y-axis at 0, 2, then what is the equation of a circle? Since the required circle touches y-axis at 0, 2, then the circle touches the y-axis, or the y-axis tangent to a circle, the value of h equals to radius of a circle. Here is the center is r minus r2. The equation of a circle equals x plus r square plus y minus 2 square, which equals r square. But the value of x here is -1, and the value of y is 0. If you substitute this x and this y, it gives this equation. Rearranging the equation and solving, r equals -5/2, so that the center is -5/2 and 2. So the equation of a circle, which equals x plus 5/2 the power of 2 plus y minus 2 the power of 2, which equals 25/4. Using the general equation of a circle, this is the equation of a circle, and the center is minus 5 over 2 and 2. This is a diagram. Here is a circle tangent as 0 to. The circle is, or the y-axis tangent on the circle at this point. The value of k is 2, and the value of h is r. There is a point on a circle, minus 1, 0. So the equation of a circle is, we already discussed. The equation of a circle, when both axes, x-axis and y-axis, are tangent to a circle, which equals both the value of h and the value of k equals the radius of a circle. There is, when both y-axis and the x-axis are tangent to a circle, both k and h equals to radius of a circle. Standard equation of a circle. The standard equation of a circle gives a precise information about the center of a circle and its radius. This matches the truth, the center and the radius of a circle at a glance. Standard equation of a circle is center hk and radius r is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, which equals r squared, where p is a point on a circle and r is the radius of a circle, and chk is a point on a center. Here is an example, standard equation of a circle. We can simply identify a center and radius of a circle in standard equation of a circle. In this case, here is a center which is h equals 1, and this is the center which is k is equal to minus 2. There is r squared, which is r equals to 3. H is 1, k is minus 2, h is 1, k equals minus 2, and r equals to 3. So the center is at 1 minus 2, and the radius is 3, respectively. Here is a center of a circle, which is hk, and this is a point on a circle. The horizontal distance is x minus h, and the vertical distance is y minus k. Here is the right angle triangle, or using the distance formula, r square equals x minus h square plus y minus k square. This is standard equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is quite difficult because we cannot directly read the center and the radius of a circle. So, in general equation of a circle, first we should convert to standard equation of a circle to identify the radius and the center of a circle. Here is a form of general equation of a circle. X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. This is general equation of a circle. So in order to identify, in order to get a center and a radius of a circle, we should convert this general equation to a standard equation using the completing square. There is an example. The general equation of a circle: x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 8y plus 9 equals to 0. The coefficient of x and this equation is minus 6. So the coefficient of x in general form of the equation is 2g, 2g which equals minus 6. So both sides divided by 2 gives g minus 3, and 12 equals minus 8. Divide both sides by 2 gives minus 4. And the radius of a circle is g squared plus f squared minus c squared under radical. This gives 9 plus 16 minus 9 under radical, which equals 4. This is the radius of a circle. Or using completing square, you can calculate this. There is x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 9 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16 minus 16 plus 9, which equals x minus 3 the power of 2 plus y minus 4 the power of 2 equals 16. So simply you can read, after converting the general equation to standard equation, the center and the radius of a circle.